an unusual switchback of an Embarcadero streetcar at its 4th and King terminal. Normally this car would proceed well down King Street and use the crossover to switch direction. In this case, for some reason, the car is exchanging its poles and will proceed wrong rail over to a rarely used crossover just across 4th Street. The motormen need to tell the confused passengers to come over to the opposite platform and board car 1008 for Fisherman's Wharf.
Stay tuned to my channel for more San Francisco area transit videos. Thanks for watching.